All right, we have question 10. Point B and point D are points of tangency. Find the value of s. Find the value of x, or values. Okay, so when they come from the same point of tangency, the both tangent lines are congruent. That means that segment AB is congruent to segment AD. Therefore, measurement of AB is equal to the measurement AD. So set the two expressions equal to each other. 2x plus 7 is equal to 5x minus 8. Add 8 to both sides, and then minus 2x to both sides. You get 15 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. You get x equals to 5. The right-hand side, same idea. I'm just going to plug in the expression. 2x squared plus 4 is equal to 22. Minusing 4 to both sides, you get 2x squared equals to 18. Divide by 2, you get x squared equals to 9. Once you square root it, x is equal to plus n minus 3. There's two valid answers. X is not a length here. X is just a variable which you can plug in and still get a length of AB. So there's two answers for B. A has one answer for X.